Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, yellow disease of potato. Potato vine virus is a plant pathogen. It is spread by a whitefly. Do you have any idea about whitefly? You can see here the diagram. Greenhouse whitefly. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel. Firstly, host. The host range of this virus is plant, some type of potatoes, and some other crops like beans. Geographical distribution. Some areas, for example, South America, Colombia, and some other countries are affected by this type of disease. Symptoms which are appeared due to the infection of this type of disease in plants are yellowing of leaf veins or swelling of leaf veins, and spots will be appear on the structure of leaf. You can see here in diagram yellow spotting of leaves, yellow, and the vein or swollen, and then the spots will convert into necrotic disease or necrotic spots, for example black to brown color. Necrosis, do you have any idea about necrosis? Necrosis is a disease which turn into a blackish brown or pathogenic disease. Its symptoms which we have discussed already. It may cause the death of leaf or plant. It's a severe disease. Necrotic disease is a severe. You can see here the potato with yellow color, golden yellow color. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues, and other researchers. Other symptoms, there are some other symptoms, for example the budding or eyes of potato will also be affected by this disease and they will not be able to reproduce properly, and redness skin and darkness brown skin or ring like spots will be appeared on the potato. You can see here the ring like spot or disease symptoms will be appeared on the potato structure. Morphology. Isometric particles 26 nanometer in diameter have been seen, but there seem to have no critical study of the identify of virus or its morphology. You can see here isometric particles. Detection and inspection method. Causal agents can be mechanically transmitted to some species but only with difficulty. Reliable detection methods are not available. Botany with YouTube is our channel. You can see here the logo of our channel. Like our channel, like our video, and if you have any question you can ask us in comment section. Economic impact of this type of disease. potato yellow vein disease is widespread and damaging at its center of diversity. It has spread in recent years, become a severe problem to all cultivars growing in these regions and reducing the yield by up to 50%. Control. As with all potato viruses, control depend on the production of high or quality seed potato from virus-free nuclear stocks. Means you should have to grow a good quality seed which have resistant ability to this type of disease. And some measures, for example, importance of potato tubers from countries where potato yellow vein disease occurs should be prohibited. Potato yellow vein disease is one of the group of South America pest of potato which justify strict post-entry quarantine procedure in the EPPO region together with equivalent check before export. Phytosanitary procedure. You should have to quarantine measures lay down to test procedure to be followed both before export and import of potatoes. Or eat healthy, feel healthy, be healthy. It's a message for you. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.